Going on YouTube, man? This is like my 11th time trying to upload this video. From between yesterday to today, I get error. So let's see what happens this time. I'm trying to actually record from the YouTube platform itself versus recording on my phone and then transferring it over. So let's see. I have 3 tips: Facebook, wow, YouTube, and these are for those truly targeted individuals who are being gang stalked actively. And I say actively because we're always being stalked, but it's certain times where they make sure that we can see it. You know, they make sure that we're perceiving it. It's with a purpose. You know, so first tip is music. Listen to some music. You know, have your playlist already arranged. You know, while you're in your right state of mind, like a time right now when you're watching this video or other videos or doing whatever you're doing, when you're not actively being pursued, because I was like being pursued, honestly. But yeah, have your playlist made up. You know, have songs on there that instantly bring back the good times. You know, like that cookout. I mean, she's a brick. House. Like, I mean, not maybe not that song, but. And I know y'all look like, oh man, he's not getting gang stalked. Look how he looks so happy. Yeah, you gotta be happy regardless of all this BS that's going on. You know, like to be sad and moping, that's what they want. And it's almost to a point where I'm like, man, maybe that's not what they want, but it's more so like a training platform. Like we're being prepared. This is Planet Fitness for real. You know, I know y'all see it. But yeah, I'm starting to believe that too. I'm starting to believe the earth is flat, man. It's just certain like the moon seems like strangely close at times. It's just I don't know. Look at another video you want to hear about that, because I'll go rambling on for hours. I'm trying to make this video no longer than what's that, 8 more minutes. So yeah, make you a playlist. Got my notes here. Make you a playlist. Find music that vocally combats the situation. So when you get being actively stalked, you know, harassed, it's like they're taunting you. Da 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 da. So play a song that you know where the artist is coming in like, man, yeah, I'm not worried about that. I'm focused on what I'm trying to do. You know, I'm here for the Most High. But you don't have to listen to what they would call quote unquote religious music or gospel or anything like that, but listen to songs that you know they're conducive to keeping your mind on a positive plane. You know. Second one, Waterboy. Y'all seen Waterboy? Y'all seen when excuse me, y'all saw when Waterboy he started to harness his fear and look at the opposing team as if they were just little babies, and he was able to boom, boom, just go tackle them. Not saying look at, you know, you got a gang stalker to your right, the light's been red for about 4 minutes, and it's middle of the night, so there's no other traffic. I mean, and somebody pulls up and they got all their windows down and their high beams on, and you're like noticeably like getting stopped. I'm not saying get out the car, look at them like they're baby, and then open that door and tackle them. I'm not saying do that. Only the meek shall hurt the earth. Facts, you know. So, like. Yeah, like getting sores all on my face. Like I never had these in my life. You know, now I get one, finally goes away, then I get another one a couple weeks later. I'm telling you, they probably made it happen, but it's biological, psychological, mental, spiritual, overall, like warfare. But yeah, look at them like they babies, you know. Look at them like they're cheerleaders or something. I mean, it's easier said than done, but in the moment, like step outside of yourself for a moment and act as if like you're playing a video game. You're not the actual character, so you're not scared to die when you know, land from a helicopter and there's bullets flying all over your head. It's not real. Look at it like that. Like, look, this is a simulation, so look at it like that. You know, take your feelings out of it. And fear is a feeling. It's emotion. It's energy in motion. You know, so take yourself out of it. Okay, I got about a little less than 6 minutes, and look at how you know look at how you're truly, you know, superior in a situation. The third one is I call it the reverse mirror mode strategy. So it's like, you know, likely what they're showing you is not what it is. So when it's like they're setting up roadblocks and they're getting in a position so they could take you out or something like that, 9 times out of 10, it's not actually that, because we're able to talk about it now. We're able to tell stories about it now. So if they wanted to kill us, they would have been done it. I only see a couple people on YouTube that seem to be actual targeted individuals who speak on the fact that They wanted to kill us, they would have been killed us. Yeah, they poison us, but they don't poison us to kill us. They poison us to get our attention. Seems like with everything they're doing, they're trying to get our attention about something. So I guess that can be like, that's a story for another day. Like trying to figure out, okay, what is it? What is the meshes involved here? But yeah, with the first, excuse me, with the third strategy, and I know I'm rambling through, but I had a nice 20-something minute video, and it's not uploading at all. And I don't want for it to, for you all to be collateral damage. I'm like, dang, why isn't he putting this video on here? But it's like, it's getting on my dang nerves, man. But yeah, likely what they're showing you is not likely what it is, even though it may appear to be so. So, and that ties into the first one. You might be like, man, listen to music. I'm not about to listen to music while they walking around in my house, or people riding around and walking and taking pictures and all this type of stuff. Man, they want to kill us, they will kill us. So zone them out. Still stay vigilant when you're walking or driving through an intersection or something like that. Still remain vigilant. But at the same time, man, zone them out, man. We're able to do one. We're able to multitask. I got ADHD. I can multitask like hell when I try. A lot of stuff loses my attention because it's not. Ain't some on nothing. Like the Super Bowl. Super Bowl's on now. I don't even know who's playing. Facts. Plus the Falcons lost me $100 last year. Anyway, I don't give a damn about that stuff anymore, man. But it's like, yeah, it's likely the reversal. So at the end of the day, hey, who knows? I'm starting to think on and ponder on the possibility that maybe they're not as evil as we make them out to be. Maybe they're preparing us, training us, through their actions. Likely the one that gets all the flack, gets the poo poo. I'm trying to not curse as much.